And one of the questions that is brought up that I think is really handy that everyone else should know is biome related organization. So I've mentioned before in the past that what a really good thing to do is, especially if you're planning on designing different biomes, design the biome procedurally in one world creator file and design a separate biome procedurally in a completely different world creator file. That way you can see what is happening and you don't have any conflict between the two biomes, and then you can mix them together in a completely different biome. But how do you save and go about keeping that biome information from project to project? Well, and we're going to be talking about this a little bit. That's where presets are going to come in. Say I like this biome the way it is. So right here under the presets category or layer, we go to biome, and there's world creator ones that are already locked in here, but let's create a new folder under biome, and let's just call this TP's biomes. Why not? And what we're going to do is we're going to take this global biome and we'll just rename this beachfront. All right, so I'm going to and this is going to copy basically all of these filters and materials that are associated with this particular biome. I'm going to drag this into TP's biomes, and you can see it's right here, beachfront. And there's a little snippet of what that looks like. Where this is stored, if we go into your My Documents folder and World Creator, select versions and find the version that you're currently working in. This one is 2024.3. Go to presets, and here's the folders that are the same folders that you can see here in the presets layer within the application. If I go to biome, you'll see TP's biomes right there, and there's the beachfront biome that we just created. So let's create a new file altogether. And I'm just going to quickly add something probably a little ridiculous. I have no function of or care about what this is doing just yet, but maybe I like this design. Let's fill it with a little bit of mud. All right. And then I'm just going to change the default layer here to wrong line, select that. And maybe I want this to be a little bit of green. And then I'll add one more color just for fun's sake here. And then I will distribute that based off, I don't know, let's do height gradient. And let's just do one more color, because why not? Let's make it a red color, and I'll just distribute this based off a slope. All right, this looks pretty jank, but it gets the point across. So this one, we're just gonna call this jank biome. All right, so I'm gonna go back down to presets, biome, and then under my personal biome here, I'm going to drag the biome with the filters and colors that I just created down into my folder. And you can see the two different ones here. So now if we have a new project, now all we need to do is under presets and my biomes, I just need to drag these up here. So there's the beachfront right there. And then the jank biome, we'll drag it on top of the beachfront biome. So we'll get rid of this one. We'll click the icon next to each one of these so that we can create biome layers, how to distribute the two different biomes. And now let's move the jank biome up top. And now if we undo the mask, here's our jank biome. And I can adjust the blend size. So yeah, so this is one way that we can blend a couple biomes together. So it's great if you have the blending factor, maybe. It's great if you have multiple biomes or different sort of setups that you've created, and then you mix those together later on. At some point, distribution rules will come to biome layers here, very similar to how filters, distributions, and the sea level here is. Distributions, I believe, will be coming relatively soon to the biome layers. So hopefully Stefan can note that down, because I'm sure it's a highly anticipated feature. And this works for distributions as well, materials, filters, and custom brushes. If you've created something in World Creator that you want to save to be put into another World Creator file, just, even this, maybe you like this scatter effect. Just drag this scatter and I'll drag it. What is this? A filter effect? TEP's filters. Maybe I like this scatter filter. I'm gonna drag it into my filters, and I could use that scatter filter on other projects, and it'll be the exact same settings that you had here going forward, so to speak.